Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today we're going to be unboxing the pink iPhone 15. So if you are interested in this one, I'm going to help you decide if you should buy it or wait. Let's get started. All right, so this is the pink iPhone 15, and as you can see from the box here, got that pink icon and dynamic island now introduced with the iPhone 15. Also, if you purchase any model of the iPhone 15s, whatever color you choose, you're going to get that color branding all around the box. Opening it up right off the bat there, you can see the pink color. And a lot of people were saying it wasn't very prominent, but it looks very pink to me. And I mean, it doesn't show as well on camera, but it's more pink in the hand. You definitely can see it around the cameras and especially along the edges here. Additionally, in the box, you're going to get your SIM ejector tool. So if you still live in an area that uses SIM cards, there's your tool to remove it, some paperwork, and one Apple sticker. Lastly, you get your USB-C cable to now USB-C. Actually, that's Lightning. I thought these were USB-C now. I'm just joking. You do get USB-C to USB-C, and it's actually a very nice braided cable. So at least they included that. No brick in the box here. Very thin, minimalistic unboxing. But let's take a closer look at the iPhone 15. On the back of the iPhone 15, you have a nice matte finish glass with a hint of pink throughout. You can see the Apple logo shows the pink a lot better, as well as around the cameras. These cameras are upgraded as well. You've now got that 48 megapixel camera, so you're going to be able to take better photos. Taking a look around the phone here, you'll see the edges very similar to the iPhone 14s. However, it is in pink now, and it's a aluminum finish. The bottom is where the big change happened. You now use USB-C, so you can perform various actions as well as charging. So we'll just quickly power on the iPhone 15. And we're greeted with the familiar hello. Now, I won't bore you with this entire setup process. I'll speed it up. But what's odd is that you actually need to update the software if you want to transfer your data directly from your other iPhone, which is something I haven't seen in a long time. But we'll say update later. And we'll swipe up. And this is the new iPhone 15. And you can see right here, no more notch. We've got dynamic island right there. Now, on the side, you do not get the action button. That one is strictly for the iPhone 15 Pro models. But now let's talk about if you should buy this iPhone. And it really comes down to your situation. This is a very nice phone with really nice bezels, as well as a nice screen. However, the price point and what it offers is a little bit odd in my opinion. The chip inside this phone is actually the same chip that was in the iPhone 14 Pros, which you can still buy today for a cheaper price, and you get 3 cameras. So I don't know 100% where this phone fits in, other than you like the colors, you want the latest software that they can push through that chip. Also, you are getting USB-C, so that might be a game changer for some of you, especially Android users switching over. You don't want to bother with a Lightning device like the iPhone 14 Pro. So just jumping to the 15 keeps your, I guess, your cable game a little bit more feasible. But honestly, I would say if you're going to buy an iPhone 15, consider the iPhone 14. And unless you're coming from a very low upgrade like an iPhone SE or an iPhone that can't update to iOS 17, then maybe this would be a good purchase for you. One thing I have to say is this phone is extremely light, especially compared to the iPhone 14 Pro here. Very light, very comfortable in the hand. I really like the design and I like these colors. There's a whole bunch of different colors you can pick from, but that's that. And if we go to settings, go to general, and we just take a look at the software update, again, a little bit odd that you have to update this already to iOS 17.0.2, but that happens. iOS 17 just came out, so it's expected that, you know, there would be some bugs that they would want to fix. So keep that in mind, but this is the iPhone 15 in that pink color. I hope you like it. If you do, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. We have a full iPhone 15 playlist of tips, tricks, and tutorials. We'll also be unboxing the new Apple Watch Series 9 and the titanium natural color of the iPhone 15 Pro. So check out the channel and stay tuned for those. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And also, if you're planning on purchasing an iPhone, which one are you planning to get? Let me know. I'm interested to see. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.